Welcome to inSitu Academy. In this module, we will be reviewing how both admins and your customers can benefit from implementing a B2B e-commerce channel. Our software puts a strong emphasis on using customization and a personalized interface to help businesses understand their customers' needs and create a tailored user journey to meet them. First, we'll walk you through the experience your customers will have when shopping through your B2B e-commerce portal. Under Enrolled Customers, there should be a complete list of any customer contacts imported from your ERP account. Your customers will need to be sent invitation links including the URL that invite them to register and create login credentials. After finding the email request and creating a login, your customers will immediately gain access to browsing and making purchases. Customers will be greeted immediately by an interactive homepage with banners and filter links. Unless specific products were assigned to the customer, they'll see a full list of your products generated as a digital catalog. Catalogs will feel personal to the customer by saving information for reorders, or allowing them to start recording their own list of favorites for faster checkouts. The customer also has access to apply any category filters attached to your products for easier browsing. Any filter settings you don't want the customer to access can be hidden, so only ones relevant to your sale appear. Your portal will load any custom pricing set for the customer as defined by their price list. Additionally, customers can also use coupons sent to them at checkout for more targeted incentives. This example coupon took 20% off, and the customer can see the total discounted amount reflected in the cost breakdown. From here, they can also browse permitted sales terms, submit a requested date for the delivery, and review any important shipment information you've provided. The customer's address will already be on file by default, but they can also add an alternate one instead. Note that you can restrict customers to only using their current address if desired. Upon checkout, the customer will receive an immediate copy of the receipt, and according to admin settings, will be saved as either an estimate, order, or invoice. Note that if you want to receive payment immediately, it will have to be set as an invoice and have your Stripe or Authorize.net integrated. You can also use the customer's credit limit if that option was set. The receipt will be sent as a PDF in an email, again noting the document type, sales terms, and final pricing. Now let's go over the admin view, which is where we can make decisions and change settings to tailor and optimize the customer experience we just went through. Add your logo by clicking on the prompt displayed as a camera. After this, set up the desired URL for your B2B portal by clicking on the highlighted link below the name of your company. To import your own domain, select the option directly below, Use your own domain. Our team can assist if you have problems with your redirect. When complete, give our system a couple of minutes to have it registered. Other things vital for your initial setup include adding a minimal order value, shipping information, the message seen on checkout, and most importantly whether you want the transaction to be recorded as an estimate, order, or invoice. If your business utilizes social media with their customer base, you can provide links for them to appear, along with linking Google Analytics to dive into visualizing data for traffic. The next major customization you'll need is on the Home tab. Your primary banner can be either a single, static image, or a carousel that cycles through a set of multiple banners. Each banner can also be set to link to a category, subcategory, or product of your choice. Make sure any images used for the carousel section are 1340 by 320. Below this is where we will be adding category banners later on in the products section of the tutorial for even more linking options. Next, add in catching headlines to prominently highlight your company's strengths, or draw attention to unique offerings that differentiate your services. Under the headlines are another two options for static banners with the inclusion of optional links. Any image with the dimensions of 960 by 392 will work. Interaction can be built out further by also offering an About Us page sharing a write-up about your company, as well as legal texts such as privacy policies or terms and conditions. By default, all products will be available to customers. To overwrite this and personalize your store catalogs, go to the Products tab. You are able to assign specific products to your portal by checking the box on the left and clicking on Save. To improve site interaction and filtering, you can create category bundles for your products. Add an image, then select what category you would like the filter to apply to. Clicking on it will take customers to a store catalog with everything but the selected category of products omitted. Shape the visual interface by modifying the default settings for view and sorting, deciding what products they'll encounter first when visiting. Control filters by only using ones relevant to your products and customers. Admins can also provide a smoother experience by hiding items that are sold out, or choosing instead to display out-of-stock products without the option to add them to a cart. If you need to omit any information such as the price or product name, we support those options as well. The catalog can be assembled in a variety of ways to fit into any unique displays your team needs. Another important feature for personalization are coupons. In the Coupon tab, we can review the one we showed earlier in the customer view. Simply set amounts, decide what products to include or exclude, then create a name, and it's ready to be used. Our B2B Whitelabel app is a downloadable app that provides your customers with a mobile version of your e-commerce ordering portal. Our team handles building it out, as well as adding it to the App Store and Google Play with your company name and logo. When opening your Whitelabel app, users will be able to create a new account, again using any required fields you've assigned, or log in. From here your customers can begin shopping as they would on your portal, but with the added bonus that they can now use a barcode scanner through the app for product lookup. Simply tap on the barcode icon that says, Scan, below it, then begin scanning any products. Through the B2B Ecommerce portal you can set up messages and alerts to be sent as push notifications to customers using your Whitelabel app. Your customers will receive the message right away, automatically storing it under the bell icon, with a red number indicating how many notifications need to be read. Customers can also receive notifications about their current invoices, plus reminders for overdue ones. By visiting the History tab at the bottom, customers can freely access a full record of their invoices, orders, and estimates. Choosing to view them will result in the branded invoice appearing in their mobile browser. From this screen they also have the option to make a payment with their preferred card. Thank you for watching our inSitu Academy module. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of how to maximize interactions through an online portal, and start expanding your customer base online. If you haven't already, consider adding any of the 3 starter apps included in our other software plan. Our inSitu Sales app for sales reps. Our inSitu Inventory app for pickers. Or our inSitu Dispatch app for drivers.